Here's how to combine photos on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you have a number of different photos and you want to combine those in a grid or horizontal or vertical, I'll show you how to do it using a built-in app. Now, instead of the Photos app, let's hop out here and we need to swipe over to the app library and search for the Shortcuts app. Keep in mind, the Shortcuts app is a default Apple app that comes pre-installed on your iPhone. Now, you can see you want to make sure that you're on Library at the bottom left, and let's tap at the top right to create a new shortcut. I would highly recommend tapping on Shortcut here and choosing to rename this, and we're going to rename it to Combine Photos, just so that you know what it does, and hit the check mark. Now, next thing we're going to do is create that script, which will combine all the photos and then save them. But the first thing we need to do is select which photos. So we're going to type in select here, and you can see there's select photos. In this case, I'm going to tap the drop down arrow, and I want to choose to select multiple different photos. So I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 photos. And then the next thing I want to do is combine them. So I'm going to search for actions and search for combine and tap on combine images. Now, the nice thing is I can tap on horizontally and choose to either combine them vertically or in a grid or other options. Let's choose in a grid. But the next thing we need to do is then save it back to your photos gallery so that you can use it and share it. So let's tap on search and we're going to search for save to photos. And saving it to basically recent is perfectly fine. Now, let's go back out of here and you can tap on those 3 dots. If you wanted to basically open it up and basically edit it, you can also do the press and hold, and you can choose to share it or add it to your home screen on your phone, all that stuff. However, if you're ready to go and you're ready to start creating that, all you need to do is tap on it, and it will pop up with your photo gallery. Now, I just sold some random shoes here, so let's say I wanted to choose these 4 photos to combine. Hit the little check mark here, and you can see it goes through the process and has a check mark at the very end. It's already done the job because we can hop into the Photos app here, and there is that photo. Keep in mind, I can always choose to adjust this however I want. I can choose to have more photos, fewer photos, vertical, horizontal, all of that.